Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLDP. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And not to toot my own horn, not to pat myself on the back, but definitely to pat charts on the back. I promise I have not moved this red line here. If you don't believe me, I'm not offended. All you have to do is go back and watch the video from September 13th. But I talked about that red line as resistance, and look right where it was rejected today. That is why I laugh at people when they say charts don't work. Are charts perfect? Absolutely not. Nothing is perfect. But to say that they just totally don't work, that's why I laugh. Again, I'm not patting myself on the back, but I'm definitely patting charts on the back. And I don't want to come across like I have some sort of secret strategy. No, this is stuff that anybody can learn how to do. You just got to put in the time and effort to do so. So with that being said, that 505 mark right around there, still that key level of resistance going forward. Now this, chart analysis is pretty tricky from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're watching this as a day trader that bought right there and you wanted to sell within, 11.2 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, and yeah, I get it, the price pulled back today, but from the big picture, the bulls do still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and when you have higher bases being built over time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. And I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a much different strategy going in. And really to simplify this to, the core, I'm going to get rid of these lines. Yes, they pertain, but like I said, I want to make this as clean, as simple as possible. And for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, it should make sense why I'm going to this level. You probably know where I'm already headed. But it's all about the purple line now going forward, the 50-period simple moving average. From the grand scheme of things, angle, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control. Again, yeah, I realize the price pulled back today, but that is 1 day. When you look at multiple days, you can see that the price is quote-unquote drifting upwards. How do we measure the quote-unquote drift? Use that purple line, and as long as the price stays above it, the bulls are in full control. That's really as straightforward as I can get, at this point in time. So rough day today, but again, that's just 1 day. We'll see how the bulls close out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.